Now come back to him now.
Yeah, 10-4, maybe you can't hear me. Probably can't hear this weak station. Good morning to you, Big Bird in Florida, 1000 in Texas, standing by.
At Texas, I hear you real good, 1000 Texas. Big Bird trying out this new antenna.
Yeah, 10-4, that new antenna sounded real good. You sounding good here in San Antonio, Texas. You sounded real good here in San Antonio, Texas there, Roger.
Roger, appreciate the radio check. We got this antenna up yesterday. We want to see if we can get to you. God bless you. Have a good
What you talking about, 525 break? How about that 525 out there? You got a copy on 1000?
Yeah, see, I already knew I was going to walk all over that mud duck antenna, though. 525, mud duck station, man. We waving the hand, come on.
Yeah, Roger, 525. Were you in Florida also?
Yeah, no doubt. We over here local. We all keen up on each other, see what we got.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, let me know something. How does radio sound out that way? I just acquired this radio about 2 days ago. How does radio sound up in Florida?
Yeah, no doubt, man. You got good audio there, man. It sounds really nice and clear, loud, though. That's for sure. You swinging that 5 to 7 there, come on.
Yeah, 10-4, 5 to 7. Well, I really appreciate it. You sounding good. I got about 9 dBs on you. Got about 9 dBs there, Roger.
I appreciate them flowers, man. Well, you can't say it too loud, because then them boys out here, man, want to key up on me.
Yeah, 14. You don't have to worry about anything, man. You're holding your own. I don't know what kind of antenna you got, nor radio, but I tell you what, it's sounding real good here in San Antonio, Texas.
Yeah, I just got a serious...
Hey, 1000,
Just about.
Hey, 1000-351 waving.
Oh, 5250351. I think it said 351 just keyed up. Is that you out there, 351? Go ahead.
No, that'd be cigar.
Yeah, I just keyed up real quick, just waving hand real fast.
That's all good.
Yeah, Roger. Well, you left them all on the mall, my friend. You're sounding good in San Antonio there, Roger.
Oh, 10, all right there. 1000 sounding good around Central Florida. Well, 351 with the Sunday wave is back quiet.
Cigar, catch you later now. We gone.
Get back at you. You're sounding good, looking good. Your modulation is up there with your carrier, and your carrier's way up there with your modulation. You smoking, I'm not joking. Talk at you later. 351, 1000, San Antonio is gone.
Come on, 525, get him and I'll walk on it. What happened to you, 525?
Y'all guys take care out there and around the sand pile. Y'all sounding good coming here through the Longhorn State. Beautiful San Antonio, Texas. Y'all take care and be safe and have a great day. Oh, 1000, San Antonio, Texas gone.
Yeah, 1000 out there in San Antonio. Old cigar man's gone now. Catch you later.
All right, I think you said cigar man. You know, I used to have a good friend in Tennessee, in my hometown. I used to call himself Cigar Man, no doubt about it. Take care of Cigar Man. I hope I got it right. Take care of Cigar Man, 1000 standing by.
I heard that, I did. Okay, catch you later now.